you don't have any symptoms, that doesn't necessarily mean that you don't have a problem. So your body doesn't actually start becoming dysfunctional until you have a 40% decrease in the ability of the nerve to regulate the function. So you could be at 30% decrease in your nervous system and be feeling perfectly fine. But once you pass that 40% threshold, that's when something severe can happen. So that's when, you know, real back pain can set in, or real migraines can set in, or some kind of vertigo or dizziness can set in. So just because you're feeling good, that doesn't mean that your body's perfect. So if you're only at that 30%, if by coming in early, we can actually make you go from 30% dysfunction to 20 to 10 to no dysfunction. And you might notice improvements like more energy, you might notice less fatigue, you breathe better, you might not even know you had a problem, then you'll notice that problem goes away. Like I said, we've also helped people go from playing only 9 or 18 holes of golf to 36 with that same amount of energy that they had after 9. Now they can have that same amount of energy after 36. So there are a lot of benefits for people that don't have actual symptoms. Just a whole life improvement is really what we're aiming for here.